Hey, great to make a super quick connect with you. Matthew McDonald here, and congratulations on getting in on this super early bird discount. This is a really quick video with a quick update. It's only been out for like about a day or two, but I needed to do this quick update just to make a couple of tweaks, couple of bug fixes, and also a couple of improvements. So let's take a look at those in this video. The first quick fix with a new update was if you upgraded to the deluxe edition, there was some trouble with your max results. So now with the deluxe edition and the white label edition, you can search up to 500 results. Now for this example, I'm going to leave it on 25 here, and I'll put in my keyword here, and let's just go here with restaurants New York, and I'll show you a couple of differences that we have here. Let me open this up a little bit, and we've got the title here. Now to actually see the Facebook page, we've got a separate link over here, and the reason I did it this way is so when you export it into a CSV, you've also got a record of the Facebook link. So we've got the website, the Facebook link. If the email is available, that's going to be there. We've also got some improvements to the phone numbers once we export it. Now instead of just getting a download file, when we hit export, it'll actually name the file for you. So here we go, Restaurants New York Leads, and then it's got today's date in international format. So this way you can easily file these CSV files, and if you ever go back to it, you'll know exactly what it was. Also, if you're on a Windows machine, there might have been some trouble with the export button. Everything should be working just fine now. Now there's one other tool that I really want you to grab, but I'm going to tell you about that in the next video. So log in now to the members area and update your WP Instant Leads, and make sure you get your benefits of these new features and tweaks.